Hello and welcome to Kitchen Creations. I'm Sylvia, and on today's episode I am making sweet and sour chicken that is quick and easy for weeknight dinners. Here are my ingredients: pineapple chunks, apple cider vinegar, pineapple juice, cornstarch, flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, orange and red bell peppers, garlic, onion, ketchup, salt and pepper, oil. For this recipe, I'm using skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our vegetables into 1-inch pieces. Mince your garlic. After chopping your vegetables, go ahead and set them aside. After chopping our vegetables, let's prepare our chicken. And we want our chicken to be at least 1 inch. So we want them about this size. And remove any extra fat. Now gently season them with salt. Now set them aside. Okay, now we can get our sweet and sour sauce ready. Add your ketchup, pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and your hot water. Now give this a good mix. After whisking everything together, now add in your salt and set it aside. After whisking everything together, now add in your salt and set it aside. In a separate bowl, add your cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Now set this aside. Now for our chicken batter, add your flour, cornstarch, baking powder and baking soda. Now whisk everything together. Now add in 3/4 cups of ice water. And give it a good mix. Now add in your oil. Alright guys, let's get frying. Now over high heat, add oil to your pan or wok. So we want to fill the wok enough with oil for frying. While the oil is heating up, let's move over to the chicken. In a separate bowl, add your flour. And we're just going to use this flour to lightly dust our chicken. After lightly dusting our chicken with flour, go ahead and grab a handful. Give this a good mix in the batter. And put them right in. And go ahead and keep turning these until they turn to a golden brown color. After 4 minutes, this is how they're looking, and this is perfect. After removing them from the oil, go ahead and gently place them on a paper towel and continue the same process for the rest of the chicken. So I just wanted to show you guys how the chicken is looking after I had removed them from the oil. They're nice and crispy and fluffy, and this is exactly what we're looking for. Now let's get back to frying. After my chicken are all done frying, this is how they're looking, nice and crispy and fluffy. Now, back to your pan. I had went and removed all the oil. We do need some of the oil to stir fry the vegetables, so I'm going to add back about 2 tablespoons of oil. And this is over medium-high heat. Now toss in your vegetables. Now begin to stir fry your vegetables. So when your vegetables are beginning to soften, go and add in your pineapple. Now add in your stir-fry sauce and your cornstarch slurry and let it thicken. After it has thickened, add your chicken back in. Turn off the heat and make sure the chicken are all coated. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. How about that taste test? Take a look. This is so colorful. It looks amazing, and guess what? I made this at home. I didn't have to go spend tons of money at the restaurant. It's simple, it's easy. This recipe is a must try. It's full of flavor. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.